What's up, y'all? Today we going somewhere special. Like, this legend been dead like a couple of years now, and I'm trying to find this memorial, you know, check it out how it looks right now today, 2024. We're talking, of course, about Nip Hussle. You know what's up. Nip Hussle Memorial. Let's get there. We on the Robertson Boulevard right now, north. We going down, trying to get to Slauson. We got Crenshaw Boulevard. If you come from that side, you gotta go to the left. Should be at Fat Burgers, somewhere over there. So when you come from that side, you gotta get here to Fat Burgers, and that's where the memorial is at. Wow, that's pretty cool. So make sure, pay dues, pay respect to the guy, you know, he meant a lot for hip-hop, so that's it. Okay, so one of the coolest things happened right now. I just met Boo, Mr. Boo. I'm gonna call him Sir Boo, or Mr. Boo, because I was just so privileged to meet him. And he took me inside Fat Burger. You know, there's gonna be something with that, but I'm just saying Fat Burger for now. And he told me whole stories, you know, about Nipsey and neighborhood and all that, and was asking me what I'm doing out here. Had a nice little chat, so respect to Mr. Boo. And I hope see him soon, you know, like coming back out here. But the mural, I showed it to y'all. I'm gonna take a couple more pictures and then get out of here, see some more stuff. So respect, Mr. Boo.